Hi everyone, I'm Mallory, your friendly neighborhood car reviewer, and I'm here to show you a 2021 Toyota CHR located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color of this CHR is called Blizzard Pearl and has 28,325 kilometers on it. This vehicle is also front-wheel drive and has a 2-liter 4-cylinder gas engine that puts out 144 horsepower. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior features. So now we're going to take a look at the driver's side interior door panel. So as you can see, you have your power windows, your power locks, your child safety locks, your power mirrors, and power folding mirrors as well. You also have a nice little handle here and a nice little compartment at the bottom with a cup holder in it. You also have power seats here. We're just going to take a quick look at the interior. So the interior is Softex leather. So it stays warmer in the wintertime, colder in the summertime, and it doesn't tear like leather does. You also have a Softex leather steering wheel that is heated as well. So here you can also see the steering wheel audio controls. So here you can control the volume of the radio. You can also go and change the radio station here as well. Make a call, hang up, or voice recognition. Over here you can count your trip. So if you're going on a nice trip to Niagara Falls, it'll count how many kilometers it took to get there and back. You can also control here your digital screen. You have lane departure assist right here, and you also have cross traffic alert right here. Quick look over here at the odometer. So as you can see on the left hand side at the top, you have your RPM. At the bottom you have how hot and cold your coolant is getting. In the middle you have a nice digital screen where at the top it's going to tell you the time, and it's also going to tell you the temperature. And then at the bottom it tells you what gear you're in and how many kilometers that you have on. Over on the right you have at the top our speedometer, and at the bottom you have the fuel gauge. So just a quick look over here at the radio. This radio also has Bluetooth connection and also has satellite radio as well. It does have a rear backup camera. I can show you that. So that's what your backup camera looks like right there. Just looking quickly down here. You have your heated driver's seat and your heated passenger seat. You also have your rear window defrost right here, but you can also control the temperature not only on the driver's side, but on the passenger side as well. Right down here, you have a nice little compartment here, which is great for holding your phone, so you can use the USB input to charge it. A little bit more room here with a cup holder, and then another cup holder back here. Open up this little compartment here, and you have a 12-volt outlet there as well. Quick look over on the passenger side. As you can see, you have your power windows and power locks over there as well. And then at the bottom here, you have a nice little compartment, great for keeping bills for your vehicle, so you're able to keep up with the upkeep. Now let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So now we're going to take a look at our driver's side exterior. So as you can see here, you have LED headlights. You also have your fog lights at the bottom here. You also have integrated turn signal mirrors. And you have a little different of a door handle for the back. So instead of having it down here, you just have it up here, where you just simply just pull back. Now we're going to go and take a look at the trunk. So just looking here, you can see that you have some room. You can fit a hockey bag, possibly 2 back here. You also have these little tie down straps right over here. So you have two of them, which is great if you're putting something in here that needs to be held down a little bit. You have a nice little compartment, good for little items when you're grocery shopping. You have one on the driver's side and on the passenger side as well. You also have 3 hooks for a car seat as well. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior rear features. So now we're going to take a look at the driver's side rear interior door panel. So as you can see back here, you only have your power windows, but you do have a nice little handle and a cup holder in the door. Just a quick look at the rear interior. So you have a nice little pouch in behind the driver's side. You also have a nice little pouch in behind the passenger side as well. Quick view over here on the passenger side. And as you can see, you have your power windows on the passenger side door as well. All right, folks, that was our 2021 Toyota CHR in Blizzard Pearl. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Until then, take care, and I'll see you next time.